is the Grand Floridian. If you're standing, hold on to the handrails until we get to the door.
I thought this would be better than looking at cards. Because I'm kind of tired of cards.
Oh, we're facing the wrong way.
It's okay.
Are we going the right way?
You want to sit this way?
Oh, yeah, because we're going to the contemporary.
We are now stopping at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, a Victorian-style hotel offering the modern conveniences of a full-service spa and health club. Please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely. This is Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. Our next stop is the Magic Kingdom, with continuing service to Disney's Contemporary Resort and the Transportation and Ticket Center.
That's it. That's what we're on.
Welcome aboard Monorail Green. Next stop, Magic Kingdom. If you're standing, hold on to the handrails until we get to the door.
To those guests who've just joined us, welcome. Our next stop is the Magic Kingdom. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please.
my bag. Welcome to the Magic Kingdom. All right, up ahead, here it is, a Magic Kingdom that shows the Walt Disney World Railway. Right here's the entrances, guest entrances. All the way to the far right is the annual pass holder entrance. Right there in the middle, since it is Halloween season, they have a couple pumpkins on display for a photo op. There goes the monorail again. Ferry boat's entrance here. And then the buses are off in the distance there. There it is. The Magic Kingdom.